In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Mozilla Firefox completely free of charge. So all you need is to start by opening your browser, come to this Google and just search for Mozilla Firefox, download, and click on enter. You'll be able to see it over here, get Firefox for desktop. So you can just click and then you have the option to set Firefox as your default browser. You can uncheck this and then you can click to download. And this is going to start downloading Firefox for you automatically. It is available for Windows, Mac as well as Linux. So you can just give it a name and just save. And once it is done, you can just go ahead and click to install. And now your Firefox is installing. And you can see your brand new Mozilla Firefox already installed on your PC. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.